Hi there, welcome to my Band of Sisters / Band of Brothers horizontal template. There are two different options. The first one has a grass and wrestling mat option. The second one has a wood floor and an ice rink option. Both work for a ton of different sports. There is a full tutorial included with the instant download, and it's easy to insert your subjects and modify this template. Let's take a look at this one. If I wanted to insert my own subjects, I simply go up to the Insert Subjects Here folder and shut off my sample subjects. And then I'd have a folder of already extracted subjects that I could insert in there very easily. Simply drag and drop and place where you think they go. You can of course modify them at any time as they come in or after the fact. It's as simple and easy as that to insert them, and you can even include multiple rows. So for example, I could lay them out like this. Of course, you can easily modify any of the text, and the text can change colors. Just like that. Let's change this background color. Remember, there's a full tutorial that'll teach you exactly how to modify this. Let's go with the simple black and white with this team. And let's change this to Knights football. Something like that looks amazing. Of course, you just drag and drop those silhouettes in there, just like we did these foreground subjects. And the tutorial will teach you how to capture these silhouettes to make them look amazing. I hope you love it.